Kawai galong kami na Meghalaya, kalasam ya ka video ka babatay ya ki artali ki jingjia, jong ka jingsha iben jai benreu, ka bakalay kando ha Delhi, ha ka ju kasngi ka bakdaw ya ka jingsha leben jong ki breu na North East India. Kala pelong ya nga ban sngaw kumbang ngamday na kani ka jaka. Ka Kynthei nong Meghalaya ka ong bakalasya kanto iben jai benreu ha Delhi. Ha ka video jong ka Kynthei kalong kami ka bala penithu ya lade bakaday na Meghalaya. Kaya tu kumno kawai ka kunhun ki shinrang ki ba shong halor ka scooter la kano bagi khot ya ka da ka Ching Chong kat ba kadang yai lingba na khmat jong ki ha Kamla Nagar ha Delhi. Menteri ka sarkar deng Kren Rijiju ula kantu ya kane ka lokmi bakan ujor Shah ka North East Cell jong ki punit ka Delhi. Kat kum ka jingong jong ka te ka lokmi ki te ki artali ki jingja kawai ka bala jia ha Kamla Nagar bar kawai pat hapo kawai ka rel Delhi Metro. Kila jia ha ka ju kasngi ha ka tei ka video ka tei ka longkmi ka ba penithu yalade ba ka dei na Meghalaya kaya thu kumno ka wei ka kanhun ki shinrang ki ba shong halor ka scooter la kano ba ki khot ya ka Ching Chong kat ba kadang yai lingba jong ki ha Kamla Nagar kat ba kadang phai kilar ki ben ya ka nang ta kala le sha ka wei ka dukan Tibet ban song jingbang ngam shim kwa ban ba me yai ruem ngasubuk ya ka kap ban ngamino hapo ka mitro ngadang perkhan ban ngas ngosi bang aklem ong ai ban nangta ki don ki briu ki bawan hapo ka metro bar wei na kirang ba ula ong biang Ching Chong China bar ular khi kala ong kane kadai ka sin ka ba ar ha ka shisngi ngala leit sha ki wei pat kiri hanrai kim ju pelong yang ban sngo kumbang ngamdei jong kari menta ka sngi halaka jong kari ki paranong India kila pelong yang ban sngo kumbang ngamdei jong kari kala ban ram Rijiju ula kentu ya ka balai syaki pulit para kalong ka bas ngusi bakum kini ki riu klem akoru ki don laong Union Minister Rijuji lada kadang jia sa shisin shim ya ki dur jong ki bat pentip syaki pulit jong ka Delhi North East Cell ka sarkar kala thau ya ka kanhun pulit bakarpang ban shim khia ya kanu ka jingle klem akor ne jingle be ain persya ya ki riu jong ka than shatai lamingi Omdon manu balak balek klem akor ni penjak burom ya kibriu na kiwai pat ki jela hakar ri India. Nyau ya baro kibriu kum ki bayaringkan. Uriju ji ulah tho hakaran san social media. Kajingwat benia bala betha daka ICSSR ha usnem arjar huwei kalala banyo ko pra person na ginong snong jong ka than stay lamingi. La pensyong nong rim ya gajing sya nyu po bajing sya Kren Tohmet na kadur kadar jongki. Haka baka jing Shah iben da kaktin kadai karukom ka bakhampau bun kila ong bakum kini ki jing jia ki penthut ya ka jing im baman kasngi jongki bat pendu ya ka jing shenia jongki banwat ya ka ho haba penkut ya ka video jongka katai kalong kemi kala ong phim syam la shukran ben tang yanga hanrei pila kren ben ya wei pa wei unong song snong na ka than stai lamingi ubalas ngeu long nong wei pat halaka jongkari ka India ka jing Shah kadai ban long ka bakhamper Naba kadai keri kebak kedup ya barok ki jai benreu bat jai jingai hanrei menta kasngi pila pelong yanga ban keli langa dai shisha ne em kanong India lapan kut katai kalong kemi.
So I thought I'll just grab something and then pack it and I'll quickly take a cab and then come back home. But I did not feel like eating anything. I couldn't even think, like, you know, my brain was not able to process what's happening. I just booked a cab because I have to take a cab from Kamla Nagar to metro station, and then from that metro station I have to take a metro and come to my place. So after reaching there, I got inside the metro and I was still thinking about those people. I was regretting why didn't I say a word to them. I could have, like, you know, fought with them. I could have, but I am not that kind of a person who will be like screaming and shouting and fighting with people on the streets. So I just kept quiet and I came. But it's okay. I was just, like, you know, trying to calm myself down, and the doors were still open. People were coming inside the metro, and then one guy passed right in front of me and he said, "Ching Chong China." Again, this is the second time it's happening to me in one day. And the other person looked at me and started laughing because he said "Ching Chong China" to me. And I just stared at him and I didn't say a word. I have been to, like, different countries, but they never made me feel like I don't belong there. I am not welcome there. But today, in my own country, fellow Indians, they made me feel like I don't belong here. I was just controlling my tears. I was, like, you know, crying from inside. It breaks my heart. My only mistake is that I am born in India and I look like this and I don't look like the rest of the Indians. They make fun of me and they laugh at me just because I look like this. So I want to tell you that yes, people like me exist. I am from Northeast India and I am from Meghalaya. The people who you call Ching China or Sheng or whatever, we are very kind people. We will not laugh at you the way you laugh at us just because we don't look like you. Okay? And please stop this discrimination. Whoever you are, I hope you're watching this video and please stop this bullshit. Okay?